This is why you don't buy Lowe's push mowers. This thing is toast. Yeah, and can't forget to just check and add technology. It's just another planned obsolescence thing they put on these things. And this one, this is why you don't let your engine surge for a long time. If your engine is surging, get it cleaned. Get this carb cleaned. This will happen. Yeah, look at that. I am like terrified this thing still works. That is stupid. This will give you a better appreciation for what's actually happening here.